You want to start a sign club, but you don't know what to do. You don't even have time to create the lessons, much less you don't even know the full sign language itself. So we have help for you. Everything is done for you. This is the one and only sign club that I have seen anywhere on the web, and it is a full year of lessons with games, with crafts, with songs, with other ideas, with videos, everything done for you. Are you ready to see it? Okay, here we go. Let's give you a sneak peek behind the scenes. Right in here, we are looking at, I've already purchased it. And how do you buy this? You go to ASLTeachingResources.com, click on shop, go down to right there, and you can buy it. Okay, and then you access it here under the blue bar at the top, and you scroll down to where you see Sign Club for Children. Now, what does this look like? What are you receiving when you buy this? Oh, I just have to let you know, if you are a member of a pro year, check this out right here. Currently, we are giving this to you as an added bonus, no charge. And we give you other bonuses every month. Just saying. Okay, let's come back here. A sneak peek. What does this look like? So when you receive this, you might be thinking, well, what do I get? How do I teach? We give you all the tools that you need. So right here under the lessons, you're going to see all these drop downs right over here on the left. It may look different on your device, so just go with it and look around. Some of the holiday ones expand out to other topics, and you can pick whatever order you want. These are all thematic. And here we go. Here's the videos. Notice this one has 7. Some have like exercise time. One has even yoga. Others have just a variety of things. So we're going to click on this. I'm going to give you an example. Getting started. Okay. And it shows you how to sign things. And it explains how to sign the songs. And then it gives you the songs, then the games and crafts. So we don't just leave you. We teach you what to do and give you ideas. Okay, and this is created by deaf and hearing both. And to let you know, you're probably, if you're curious what grade is this for, well, it depends. Many of the resources are elementary. However, you can join our live support and we will give you ideas how to transition it to high school. Let me give you an example. What if you needed dice? Do you think that's just for elementary, or you think for high school too? These have signs, these have words, and these have icons. Yes, I think it's for all ages, but maybe the songs might be geared for the elementary. Just saying. And then you have the flashcards. Okay, me personally, I created my own book. So I have this, and I put everything in it. So what do you receive after the videos to guide you? You're going to click on the materials tabs. Right here, you'll be able to download your lesson plan. It gives you everything you need. Let's click on this and you can see yourself. In here, it opens up. There are blue links. If you click on it, it will transfer for you to buy things. But hold on, don't go shopping yet. Go over here. You're going to look and download your activities first. Then you'll see what we give you in your purchase. We don't give you everything. For instance, like the book itself, you can purchase that. We also have them on Amazon, which you can find right in here. Let me see, right here. Yes. ASL on Amazon right there. But we give you enough of the lessons for you to be able to be ready. So you can click on these, but first click right here and download your freebies. Here's an example of one. You're getting the flashcards, black and white. You're getting the later activities. You're getting all of these things, and even a yes/no game. It's kind of fun, right? Let's take a peek right here and show you. Are you ready? So here is the lesson, and here is what you can download, and then here is your wall chart. Again, some of these you can buy, others we give you. Here is the dice game. Here is the flashcards. Here is one of your activities. And here is another activities. Oh my goodness. So many different fun resources already created for you. And we are starting to even add some Spanish to the newer things we are creating. Okay, so just in summary, it's when you purchase this, you can go to the top blue bar. If you need to go back, we can click on the icon in the left corner. But the top blue bar right here, and scroll down and you can access your sign club. There it is, a sneak peek. I know this is going to help you greatly because you don't have to create or think yourself. We've done it for you. And again, you can hop on to one of our trainings and ask us questions for more support. And that is right here. Just sign up for lives. Okay, so thank you for everything you do, and please share Sign Club in your Facebook groups or with your districts. If you need a purchase order, go right here and click down here, and there you go. Thank you. Take care.